In this video, I'm going to show you how much I made with AI avatar video on one of my channel. Hello, my name is John and welcome. So guys, as you can see here, this is the video, okay? So I made this video with AI avatar. So this is my picture here as a thumbnail, okay? So this is the engagement so basically the analytics area. So I'm in engagement tab. So over here, this video has 73.5 watch hours in 1 year. So it was published on May 4, 2024. So in May 31st on 2025 right here, as you can see. And then the average view duration is 45 seconds. So this video is basically an hour 14 not an hour 1 minute and 14 seconds, okay? And viewers watch like 45 seconds in average, okay? So this video here, as you can see, this is the video itself, okay? So this is the video. So the background is on AI picture. It's not real. The guy here is an AI avatar, okay? So I made this video in CapCut. I'll probably show you how to make this type of video another day, but I made this video in CapCut. So this video right here, what do you call it, 66% of viewers are still watching this video after 30 seconds. Sometimes it will drop. Sometimes you see video where only 20% of the viewers will watch that video in 30 seconds. Once they click on the video, within 30 seconds they will drop if they don't like the video. So but this one, it has 66%, which is good. So it covers from here to here basically, okay? It's like 66%. All right, and then 26% watched the entire video. So let me play the video so you see, so you can hear it basically. So let's see.
You can use a refugee travel document. That's what we are going to talk about in this video.
USA Mon.
Hello and welcome. What is refugee travel document?
So this video, I made a caption in French as well. I speak French, so some of my audience speak French. So I made this one in French and English. So as you can see,
Document is a document issued to people with refugee or asylum status.
so that's an AI avatar. Like I said, some people, say that you cannot make money with on AI on YouTube. This is a proof. I made money. I'm gonna show you how much I made with this video. So this video has almost 6,000 views already. Okay, so almost 6,000 views, and then I don't know if you can. Let me see if I can show you the view. Yeah, you see here. So 5.9, almost 6,000 views. The impressions, 38.3 thousand impressions. So YouTube show it to people, and then 13.7% click on the video. This brings these total views. Okay, and then in the audience here, you see that we have returning viewers and also unique viewers. So the returning viewers are the purple one. The blue one is the new viewers. Okay. And then this video brought me 14 subscribers so far, which is not bad for AR avatar video. And now, yeah, I know you're waiting for how much I made with this video. So like I said, this video is only 1 minute 14 seconds, and then it brought me, the views is like almost 6,000, like as you saw it. And then how much I made. This is how much I made with this video, $28.36. That's how much I made with this video in 1 year. I made this video just once, probably 1 hour. I spent like 1 hour to design everything, to make a video, publish it. So it brought me $28.36. It's gonna continue bringing money as long as it's on the platform. So just to show you that you can make money, using making video with AI avatar on YouTube. So basically my RPM, which is on revenue per mile or revenue per thousand views, it's like $4.84. Well, the advertisers pay $10.27, and I get paid $4.84. It's not bad. So, yep, that's what I want to show to you guys today. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you in another video.